Having your own personal chef business is awesome for a lot of reasons. And talking to passionate cooks all the time who want to start their own personal chef business, here are some things that people recently said: wanting to be their own boss, leave a toxic work environment, wanting to make their own money instead of making money for someone else, share how delicious, nutritious food can be, having more control over what you get to cook, getting to be creative, having fun. And all those reasons are totally true. But one of the best things you might have never thought about is how other people go crazy when they find out you're a personal chef. Hey there, Chef Shelley here. I've had a successful personal chef business for over 17 years now, and when I'm not cooking for my own clients, I help passionate cooks like you start your own personal chef business, doing weekly meal prep services, small caterings, and even cooking classes. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe and be sure to click that little bell so that you never miss one of my weekly videos. I mean, there is never a time when someone asks that I tell them what I do that they are not blown away. Either they love to cook and they're fascinated to talk to a personal chef, or they hate to cook and they're dying to hire me. People just find it super interesting to talk about food and the restaurants you like and chef things with a pro. It's like just by saying you have a personal chef business, you have this instant cachet, this veneer of professionalism. And other industries just don't have this. I mean, imagine when you hear that someone's a realtor or sells insurance or whatever, are you dying to talk to them? Are you fascinated with their work stories? Do you secretly wish that you could do what they do? Hit the thumbs up if you agree talking to a chef is way more interesting to you. I mean, even if you're in insurance and you think it's awesome, most of the time it's an uphill battle to talk to people because they have all these preconceived notions about insurance and insurance salespeople, and they just find it not that interesting and don't care about it. So, how crazy is it that chefs have a uniform, the chef's jacket, and people will start up conversations with you because they instantly recognize it for the respect it deserves? This happened to me all the time when I was starting my personal chef business. I wear my jacket to the grocery store because I was cooking for a client that day, or like even to a networking meeting. And holy Toledo, I'd have people gathered around me to ask me questions about food and my business and talk about what I do as a personal chef and how does weekly meal prep work. So just imagine how easy it is to go around in your jacket and people come up to you and talk to you and ask you questions about your business because they know you're an expert. It's instant recognition and respect. And a matter of fact, this is part of pillar number 4 in the Personal Chef Business Academy about entrepreneurial mindset. It's being a pro, having that confidence, knowing that you are the person who knows about food and cooking, and you're the go-to resource for people who need their dinner made for them. If this is you, if you're a passionate cook and you want to transform it into a personal chef business and get paid to do what you love, come join us in the Personal Chef Business Academy. The first step is just learning how to prepare a weekly meal prep service, also known as personal chef services. There's a link right in the description by the video, and you can get a taste for what it's like, because I'm telling you, the clients are out there and they're hungry for what you're cooking.